Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. We're in our garden again today doing our fall planting. Today we're going to be showing you how to plant this spinach in our back to Eden style garden. Stay with us.
And under the boughs unbound.
So planting spinach is really simple and it is a great crop for fall. We're cooling off here in East Texas. It's about 80-85 degrees during the day instead of 9500. And all we do is we rake back our remaining wood chips on the top of the back to Eden bed. We then just make a little trench like you saw with our garden rake and plant them in that trench 2 to 3 inches apart. Now they say you should thin it 3 to 6 inches, but hey, we haven't had very much success with thinning. We always luckily get a great crop. Hi.
Hi.
We get a great crop without thinning them. So you want to help? Do you want to help me plant some spinach seeds?
Mm-hmm.
All right, great. Can you take these and just put them in the row here? You see this row?
Yeah, but I've been tending my cats a little bit.
Tending to your cats.
Yeah. And
this one right here. Can you reach?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
Good. I love when she helps me in the garden. This is fantastic. No faces on there. Come on. Good job. Keep going. All right, beautiful. Put another couple over there.
Okay.
All right.
I like doing funny faces.
Yeah, I know you like doing funny faces. Good job. Last one.
Here, pop. Pop in.
All right, that's all right. It's all about getting dirty here in the garden, right?
Yeah.
High five.
That's kind of funny.
All right. We're just gonna pull back the soil over top of those spinach seeds.
Can I do it?
Yep, put those. Yep, right there. Perfect. So they're about a ½ inch under the ground. Give them a good soaking, and these are 35-day varieties, so expect spinach very, very quickly. That's the beautiful thing about spinach. That's basically it. It's a really simple video today, guys. We're just hanging out here in the garden, doing the family thing, and loving it, right?
Yeah, because it's good on the homestead, and you always do thumbs up like this.
Did you always do thumbs up like that? Tell them to do the thumbs up like that for the video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And tell everybody the thumbs up.
The thumbs up, and the share, and the subscribe.
Yeah.
Right?
Do the share and subscribe.
The share and subscribe.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what do we want to tell them now? Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching,
And
and we'll see you on the next video.
She already knows. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye. Well,